Hello Astro fans, today we are playing Paper Plane Simulator. Wait, there isn't shift lock. Yep, said by the developer. What? 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 I'm getting told to the rose. A husky, wow. Okay, how many things am I supposed to do? Yeah, I throw. Bullseye. No! Okay, it's telling me to throw. I am throwing. Are you serious? Yeah, I done. Are you see? Oh, I can trade. The 50 required. Wait, it's just auto. I don't need to click. Yep, it's auto. Wow. Let me claim my gift. 150 power. Tiny wind pack. They claim 10 wins. Let's go to planes. I wish I had throwback. But so sad I don't. Oh, I use my. Okay. You need 160. Oh, I used my power. Oh God. And I still get the real. Should I rebuff? Nah, I don't feel like it. And let's equip best, even though I only have one. So I now get 9. Now I have a boat. Okay, equip. Where's my hoverboard? Okay, now I have 30 plus 15 else. Okay, let's auto train and auto win. Oh. Yep, never mind. So, just in this world, don't have anything to do. Ready to be claimed. Oh, it's in the crew. Oh, I don't have enough. What? Cancel. Claim gift. Ooh, egg. Penguin. Is it better than my husky? Wow. 1 million of them exist. 2 million of them exist. So which one is better? Times 14. And this one times 2. Yeah, the penguin is much more better. Let's see how much I get. Oh, these are the eggs. House. Alright. Let's continue training. Sorry. I have a cold. Right there. And now at 5k. Throw. Wow. Now I have 55 by the next zone. Why can't I? Ooh. I have 6 things. What is the mega robot? Bro. Mega robot? Yeah, never mind. I'm just going to spam click here. Yeah, just one. Oh, but 7 wins is actually good. Why am I saying why? Something good, please. I keep on getting money. I mean wins. No money. And power. And I am out of spins. Let's go to the next zone. Buy. Free potions. Wow. 28k. Yeah. Wait, that's the snow and pet that I got in my gift. You serious? Alright. Oh my gosh. Oh, dang. Let's get this. And guys, once again, please make sure you subscribe and like this video. And maybe comment your other friends to my YouTube channel. So please, subscribe. You need subscribers. You can just 20, nice. 15 bonus. 20. How much is for the next part? Yes, 20. I can switch my players, but I'll lose my power. Okay, this is times plus 4 times 2. Why does it keep on telling like? Never mind. Right, let's equip our ghost thing. 1025. Do I have enough power? Yep, nope. Let's go train. Supposed to get more bonus. What? I don't think the planes really help. How do they help me? Certain boost. I'm not getting more. Our next gift is a spin. And a spin, here it is. Spin, mega robot, mega robot. Robot again. Robot. Yes, it's taking so long. Wait. Did I just crash? No way. Oh, there. But I am lucky. Right. Okay. I think that is enough. Let's go. I need more wins. Hacked Alien Hydra for free. Never mind. Right. Aim. 1. And I got 20. Wow. 2 again. 0. That's 5. Nice. 55. Yeah. 20. Hope I get 10. I keep on getting 15, 20. 10, 15. Bullseye. It's always a bullseye. But a bull. Oh, it's bullseye. Bullseye. Wait. How much is next? How much is the next world gonna be? Right, on to the next world. Click. Wow, not that different. The rock. Yeah, no. Let me just do that. Keep on getting my 125 wins. Yes. Once again. And then once more. Let's get the cactus egg. Toxic Flopper! My first legendary. Equip best. Now I should be doing it. What do the helps? What do the pets or the planes do? Hmm. Yeah. So I don't know what I'm doing. Dang. Did I freeze? Oh there. And now I'm lucky. Okay. I think that's enough. 16k. Yeah, no. Right guys, I see you in my next video.